Skin Drink is our frankincense hydrating mist, but it is actually quite a lot more than that. What we've got in Skin Drink is we have got hydrosols of apothecary rose and high altitude lavender. So the apothecary rose, the French apothecary rose, hydrosol, is part of the process when you're extracting essential oils. When the plants go into a still and they put a whole load of steam underneath them, the water jets or the steam jets up, then it cools and the essential oils, which are heavy, drop out of the water. But then that steam cools and becomes the residual water. And with the first pressing or the first extraction, we call those hydrosols or hydrolats because they've still got quite a heavy duty trace of the essential oil process in them. So this is a hydrosol or a hydrolat. It's not just a floral water, which might be about the 15th or 16th extraction, pressing or distillation. We've got the same with lavender. So really all the properties of rose and all the properties of lavender. So beautiful for high colour, for thread veins, that sort of thing. And lavender calming, soothing, very, very gentle. And then because we've got the water, we've got that hydration factor as well. And then, of course, because I just can't resist it, I always put a frankincense in there. Frankincense is very toning. This is the essential oil. It's very astringent. It's slightly tightening in that way. So I always think it's very refreshing. At work, we always have a couple of these in the fridge so that if we've got a warm day like we have today, literally I would shake it because I want the frankincense, the pure essential oil, to work in with the hydrolat. I'd hold it away from me and spray it up into the air, so not jetting onto anything, and just spray that and just let that fall onto the skin. Really great as a coolant, really great as a sort of a skin refreshing tonic. Great for flights. It is a 100ml bottle, so you could take it with you. It's really going to sort of fresh up the skin and rehydrate the skin in little boosts. Keep one in your fridge. And if you want a toner, again, you can spritz this onto a cotton pad and wipe it around, or just spritz it onto the face as I've just done, and then just press it in onto no makeup. So really, really lovely, refreshing, all-round product. Could be a toner, could just be a lift you up. Certainly during menopausal times, it's a real, if you're feeling that hot flush is coming along, a cool, nice spritz along décolleté is really going to help you deal with those moments that you'd rather not have to deal with. But as a skincare product, toning, hydrating, beautiful floral hydrosols of French apothecary rose and high altitude lavender, and then that toning astringent. So your skin is going to feel better, feel refreshed, woken up, but it's also over time going to look better because you're putting trace elements of all those three essential oils, really potent, skin-loving essential oils, onto your skin. So that's Skin Drink, our frankincense hydrating mist. Really lovely for all year round, just general fabulous use or targeted toning spritzes.